Hello. Are you watching this to see ponies and pixies and princesses, daffodils and roses, and all that other crap that all you little girls want to watch? If you do, turn off this video now. But if you want to see eyeball exploding, so sour that your tongue will fall off action, stay tuned and be ready for Now, our first and only contestant for today is I'm still even sure. Here's the first one to even do this crap. So, welcome him with joy. Well, are you ready for this?
Sure, why not?
Anything to say to your viewers?
If I die, Mom, sue them.
Okay. That's all we got. Our first thing is actually very easy. Just a little lime juice. It is kind of sour.
That's all you got?
Pick it up. How was it?
Sour.
Now, we'll do a mixture for level 2. We'll do milk for level 2. We'll do apple juice for level 2.
My lips are sour.
We'll do lemonade for level 2. And we'll throw in some chocolate milk and some fruit punch. You ready, Ashton? Start with fruit punch.
And the last name's LaVenture, not Levici.
It is called Adventure like this. That's really nice. Instead of the what's it called? We'll put this one punch.
That's some great stuff.
Apple juice.
That's some great stuff. The milk's gonna make it all chunky though.
Milk.
That's good.
And some chocolate milk.
Yay. Makes me feel better.
That's not shaken up. Take a look, peeps.
Shake up the milk.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, action. Chug, 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 chug.
That's cold.
Chug, you homo.
Crap balls.
Crap balls. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up or we'll punch you in the gut after it. Okay, level 3. Fish cracker, ketchup, and a little squirt of lime on top. Go ahead. Eat it. Hurry up. Now we're moving on to level 4. Okay, we have a frosted cookie with sprinkles and Hellmann's mayonnaise from Jimmy John's. So fast, you'll freak.
When do I start?
No. Now. Go. It may look like frosting, but it's Hellmann's mayonnaise.
Eat it.
Do it. Come on. If he quits now, he's the worst ever. This is only level 4.
The taste.
Here we have a nacho chip with pickle bits
That are expired.
and if you look on the back, they are expired. Right there. Yeah, right there. You probably can't see that. They're expired.
By May
With
17th.
Hidden Valley Ranch.
Which is probably
And Betty
expired.
Crocker. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, people, this is level. Make it.
Okay, what the?
Go.
Oh, I can just smell it.
Yo, go, chug, chug, eat, eat. Ew. This is definitely awesome. Definitely nice. Come on. Come on, one more bite. One bite.
I do it when I swallow bacon bits.
Woo!
Ah!
Oh yeah, my parents. Okay.